Hello guys, welcome to today's question, my dear friends. We have, if x squared plus x plus 1 is 0, find x to the power of 30 plus 1 over x to the power of 30. To start, I'll be starting from x squared plus x plus 1, which is 0. To do this, I want to divide everywhere by x. Let's divide x everywhere. Okay. Now, what do I have? I have x squared by x plus x over x plus 1 over x, which is 0. And here is x plus 1 plus 1 over x, which is 0. Now, what I need is x plus 1 over x. As you see here, it will be equal to minus 1. Here is minus 1. Let's keep this. You know that a plus b square is equal to the square of a plus 2 times a times b plus the square of b. And that's why x plus 1 over x power 2 will be equal to x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x times 1 over x power 2. Okay, and this will be x squared, this can simplify this, plus 1 by x squared plus 2. Here is 2, guys. That's why I put it here. Now, this is clear that x squared plus 1 over x power 2 is equal, taking these 2 here, yes, it will be x plus 1 over x square minus 2. Now, we know the value of x plus its reciprocal. It was minus 1. X squared plus 1 over x squared. This is minus 1 for 2 minus 2. And x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1 minus 2. That's why x squared plus its reciprocal, and this is also minus 1. And also this need to be kept. I do want to remind you again this formula: a plus b power 3. This is a power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b power 3. And this is the same as a power 3 plus b power 3 plus, here let me factorize by 3ab to stay with a plus b. Now, here it is clear that a power 3 plus b power 3, this is equal to a plus b power 3 minus 3ab into a plus b. So here x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3. And this is x plus 1 over x to the power of 3 minus 3 times x times 1 over x into x plus 1 over x, guys. This is equal minus 1 power 3, because x plus its reciprocal was seen to be minus 1 as it is here, minus this and this will be simplified. Minus 3 into what is x minus x plus its reciprocal, that is minus 1. Here is clear that x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 3, and x power 3 plus its reciprocal is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. Now, what is gonna be x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 4, guys? What is this? As you see, this will be seen by taking x plus 1 over x times x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3. This is, you remember that x plus its reciprocal is minus 1, and x power 3 plus its reciprocal is 2. Here is minus 1 times 2. Expanding multiplication here, this times this will be x to 4. This times this will be 1 over x to 2. This times this is x to 2. And this times this will be plus 1 over x to 4. And this is minus 2. Since this is minus 2, what will happen if I collect terms which are reciprocals? One is reciprocal of the other. X power 4 plus 1 over x to 4 plus x square plus 1 over x square. This is minus 2. You remember that x square plus its reciprocal was seen to be minus 1. As you see it here, this is minus 1. That is why you have x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 minus 1. This is minus 2. And then x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. This would be equal to, take this minus here, it will be minus 1. Okay, what will happen here if we square both sides? If we square both sides, squaring both sides, we have x to 4 plus its reciprocal, x to 4 power 2, and this is minus 1 power 2. Okay, here we have x power 4 power 2 plus 2 times x to 4 times 1 over x to 4 plus 1 over x to 4 power 2, and this is 1 because the square of minus 1 is 1. And this simplifies this. Okay, that's why here we have x power 8 plus 2 plus 1 over x power 8, and this seems to be 1. X power 8 plus its reciprocal will be, take this 2 here, will be having 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Okay, and also I need to square x power 3 plus its reciprocal. We have seen that x power 3 plus its reciprocal was 2. What will happen if we square both sides? What will happen if we square here and here? This will lead us to x power 6 plus 2 times x power 3 plus times 1 over x power 3, then plus 1 over x power 3 square, which will be equal to 4 because the square of 2, that is 4. This simplifies this, and here x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6, this will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, now I'm wondering what will happen if I have, what is going to happen if multiplying x power 4 and x power 6. What will happen if we multiply this stuff and this one and this one, having x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 times x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. This is, you remember, x power 4 is minus 1 and x power 6, this stuff is 2. We have minus 1 times 2. This will lead us to this, and this will be, this and this is x power 10 plus this times this here is 1 over x square plus this, and this will be x power 2 plus this times this will be 1 over x power 10, and this is minus 2 because minus 1 times 2, that is minus 2. Here we have x power 10 plus its reciprocal 1 over x power 10 plus x square plus its reciprocal is minus 2. Do you remember that x square plus its reciprocal was minus 1? This is minus 1, guys. That is why here x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 will be minus 2 plus 1. And x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 will be equal to minus 1. Now we are about to hit our conclusion. You remember we have been asked to find the value of x power 30 plus its reciprocal. Now, because we are there, let's multiply both sides by 3 to have x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 to the power 3. This will be minus 1 power 3, and you know it's minus 1. Now we have x power 10 to the power of 3 plus 3 x power 10 square times 1 over x power 10 plus 3 x power 10 times 1 over x power 10 square, then plus 1 over x power 10 to the power of 3, guys. This must be equal to minus 1 because the cubic power of minus 1 is minus 1. Now here is x power 30 plus this and this, we have 3 times x power 10 plus 3 this and this, guys, we have times 1 over x power 10 plus 1 over x power 30. This is equal to minus 1. Now, take this and this. We have x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30 plus, let me here factorize 3. Factorizing 3, we have 3 into x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10, and this is minus 1. You remember that x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 is minus 1. That's why this is minus 1. Now we have x power 30. We have x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30. This times minus 1, this is minus 3, and this is minus 1. So x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30 is equal to minus 1 plus 3. X power 30 plus 1 over x power 30 is equal to 2. Guys, now we hit our desired answer. I want to thank you very much for being with us and being friends of this channel. Before you leave this video, I want to subscribe to the channel Landmarks everybody, and share this video with your friends. God will help you, I'm sure of that.